another dunk. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. Today we are reviewing another dunk. And real quick, in the comment section below, go down there and let me know, do y'all think dunks are coming out too much? I mean, I'm cool with the SBs, but I feel like dunks, they're coming out a lot, man. You're getting them on Nike.com, DTRLs, getting exclusives and snipes, and it's a lot of dunks coming out. But today, these are kind of special depending on your taste. This is straight from the Japan exclusive 1999 pack, if you remember. A lot of people are calling them Knicks, they're calling them Mets, but that's where it come from. 1999 Japan exclusive. And y'all know I'm from New York. Even though I'm not a Knicks fan, I mean, I don't mind if the Knicks win. I don't mind if the Mets win, but I'm a Yankee guy. But there's something about orange and blue that pops perfect, man. Again, I know when it comes to highs on dunks, people don't really like them. Me personally, a high dunk, I would rather go with a Jordan 1. And we have never seen a Knick Jordan 1 done perfectly yet. But man, the sneaker's clean, guys. The orange is where it's supposed to be. The blue is where it's supposed to be. I really like this sneaker, guys. Yeah, Mets, Knicks, it is what it is. Let's get into a full in-depth review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your regular Nike box. I can never tell if it's like a light red or a dark orange, but I think I'm gonna go with red today. So whenever you get this regular Nike box, that means it's like either like an Air Force One or just a regular dunk. You know, nothing special, nothing collab, just a regular red Nike box. So it reads Nike Dunk Hive Retro, orange, deep royal blue. Yeah, Mets Knicks, it screams it. When you flip open the lid, you get your regular white tissue paper. But let me stop saying regular like that's a bad thing. You get your classic, right? Classic tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the sneaker before I say anything. It's clean, guys. One thing you could say, the sneaker's clean. And it does, it gives me so much reminiscence. I think they called it the City Attack pack or something, Attack of the City, something like that, 1999. If you know what I'm talking about, hit it up in the comment section below. So my highlight of the shoe is that the shoelaces seems to pop more because they're not the same blue as the blue in the sneaker. The laces is more of like a royal, and then the blue here is more of like a pale navy, I want to say. As you can see the blue difference perfectly there. Like I said earlier, I love that the orange is where the orange is supposed to be. The color blocking out of the blue is so beautiful. So your toe box is in that blue. And not the best of leathers, but definitely not the worst. As you can see, the bounce back is there. You see the ripples. Right? Then they got an orange color blocking around the toes. Nice leather, guys. Nice leather. Get to the inside. That's where you got your orange tangerine swoosh. Blue color blocking in the back. and more orange as the sneaker goes around. You have a pull tab here, also in that orange, in fine leather. Also the soft leather on the ankle support. It's kind of stiff. As y'all can see there. Stiff leather up here. You come around, the inside mimics the outside. I like the white at the inside, like sandwiching the colors, and then I love the orange tangerine at the bottom. There you go there, all the stars there. I remember when Dunks was at their all-time high and you were trying to buy them on eBay. One thing in the description, the seller would put like, no missing stars. But you can see that there. But as I'm looking, they don't look like stars. They just look like basketball material to me. It doesn't look like stars there. Y'all let me know. Stars or just bumps? Yeah, I think I'm going to go with bumps, guys. Get to the bottom, you have your Dunk, Jordan 1, Uptowns, Air Force 1 bottom, all orange. Nothing's changed there. Nike logo in the middle. The tongue screams New York Knicks or New York Mets to me, as you have that nice Nike swoosh logo in orange on top of a nice blue nylon mesh tongue. In the back has your orange hits. So blue in the front, orange hits in the back of the tongue. Take out the tissue paper. Doesn't have a shoe tree. It has tissue paper. And the insoles are all orange with a blue Nike swoosh. So yeah, they are donning this sneaker, the New York Knicks. If you look, I'm gonna put it up here. But a couple years ago, right? Yeah, we got a dunk high called the New York Knicks, but that was in a UNBOX suede material. I kind of like those better, but these ones I have in hand are more vibrant. These joints are bright, guys. This orange, it looks like a burnt orange, but this is New York Knicks orange, guys, and it is bright. This is a nice quality shoe. I think I paid $119 on Snipes. I finally hit on Snipes. Wow, man. That waiting room thing, they really have to fix that. But being that Jimmy Jazz and Snipes are like merged, like if you didn't know Jimmy Jazz is Snipes, they're kind of getting better with their website. But like I said, I think I paid $119 retail. Right now, you can go on StockX or go and get it for around the same price. I think like $135 is the highest, so the resale market is not there. But this is a sneaker that I feel like you should just want to keep in your collection. It's not nothing you should be looking for like to make kind of profit on. Even though in a couple of months or years, this price will go up, man. But let me know how y'all feel about this New York Knicks pack, man. I'm still I'm waiting on a real Laker pack dunk. Like, we got close. We got like burgundy-ish purple or like a mango yellow look, but we never really got that Laker pack. That's what I'm waiting for. I know I'm a Laker fan. But man, these are dope. The Mets are winning, so that's good. I don't know about the Knicks. We gotta wait and see. But yeah, man, it's just a quick review on the New York Knicks Dunk High. I had a style coming. I sold a lot of my Mets gear, man, but we're going to put some outfits together, so look forward to that. Hit like, hit subscribe. That video is coming soon, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.